Dear students, especially the alumni who have studied in Vignan long back, and the faculty members of Vignan schools and junior colleges, and the principals. Good morning, everybody. At the outset, I thank you very much for your greetings on my birthday. This is the most important birthday for me. That is the 70th year of my 70th birthday. I am entering into 70th year. I really thank you all for your pure greetings on this day. I really believe in this. So though all of you are younger to me, whether the present students or the alumni, all of you are younger to me. Even then, so your greetings has a great value for me, because you are greeting me with all your pure heart. That is the thing which is really giving me a great strength. So that is the strength with which I am working even today with all activeness. So your greetings really matters to me, and it is proved beyond doubt. All my age group people are retired and taking rest, but I am working even today with all activeness. It is because of your good wishes, though you are young. And more than my friends, more than my family members also, I prefer to celebrate it to my students. This year also, I am very happy that all of you are greeting me, and definitely it gives me a great strength to do more better things, and in a more active way and in a better form. And most of you are admitted your children into Vignan. Though in Hyderabad many schools are available, the choice is big. Even then, you remembered your formative age, you remembered your experiences in Vignan, and you remembered how the Vignan has contributed. Most of you are might have grasped it, could differentiate it from the rest of the world. What is the real intrinsic strength of the Vignan? The intrinsic strength is the number one. Okay, you have to develop the knowledge part, and you should be successful in the life. That is the basic part. Most of your teachers must have treated you like friends and guides. I mean, lots of emotions are developed during this period, and we respected your parents. In turn, you respect your parents and elders. So this is the kind of value system we maintain, we have created among our students. So with those things, I think all of you remember and admitted your children. These both are important. Knowledge, getting a knowledge, success in the examination, success in the life, getting a big job, big money and all that. This is one side. The other side is, if there is no value system, yes, the whole life is miserable. That is maintained, that is seen. Yes, all of you are aware that Vignan was the first institution to develop the +2 system in the residential way. So once the system is proved to be good, and parents are convinced, the entire public of the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are convinced and attracted towards the system. So all of our institutions stood first in the first 5 positions of the universities, and Vignan University doing extremely well and giving more than 90% of the placements and preparing them for the whole life, because they always feel how is it our Vignan, what is the status, how it is developed. This is it. I don't want to compromise on the value system at junior college level. Then I shifted to the next level of higher education and doing extremely well. This is it. And for my students, present day students, and also the alumni, so my advice at this stage is, you are going, a new world, totally. You are going to enter into a new world. And on one side, yes, almost a digital world. Yes, it would be everything, banking or education, health, driving, everything would be automated, and artificial intelligence would be there. This is we can't imagine certain things. So for your understanding, I am going to give 2-3 examples how the future world would be, how your world would be. Your world would be like this. In another 10 years, 50% of the cars would be driverless. Yes. So they are automated. The distance is fed into, yes. And the health also, it would be totally personalized. But in future, the headache for 4 people, the reasons for 4 people are 4 different things. One fellow is getting headache because of the liver problem. The other fellow is getting headache because of the blood problem. The other fellow getting the headache because of the different reasons for getting headache. That would be diagnosed through your DNA card, like your Aadhaar card. DNA card would be developed, and you will be given different medication. That would be the medicinal this thing. And today the doctor is doing the surgery, and in the next 5-10 years, doctor is somewhere in other country, and the surgery is being performed. Even now it is going on to some extent with the instrumentation without opening of the body. In the same way, education also, you are going to see a great revolution. The revolution is, it is not going to be teacher dependent or institution dependent. The revolution would be self-dependent. There would be a lot of self-learning ways, and it also would be personalized. How the education would be personalized? Yes, the different people grasp the things at different levels. So there would be enough, suppose if there is a 60-member class, the very expert teacher teaches that class, she assumes or he assumes that the class is finished, learning is completed, which is not a truth. Learning is completed only 20 people out of 60. Other 20 people are in the middle level, and another 20 people, they have not grasped anything at 0 level or 10% level. But everybody, principal or faculty member who taught them, assumes that the learning is completed, which is not. For example, if a teacher asks for a 5th class boy or 6th class boy, so that only 10 or 20 people gives the answer. Another 20 people try to calculate the things. Another 20 people never does that, because they don't know the basics of it. Then for those 20 people who have not able to start it, the computer or the program will teach them right from 4 into 5, 5 into 6, 6 into 7 kind of thing, and then finally reaches to 16 into 70. So that would be totally personalized. This is what is going to happen in the next, not far way. It is going to happen in the next 5-10 years. Yes, and it is on. Many online classes students are taking and learning something and all that. Of course, they are not perfect as such as it is, but they are learning in future. Then what will happen to the teachers or principals? Teachers and principals will be the facilitators to have all these things. Never teacher is replaced, teacher is removed. Teacher would be there to give the emotional connection, to give the emotional bonding and all these things. And the content is different, and the teacher's role would be changed, principal's role may be changed. This would be the future in education also. But in the same way, though the you can get the knowledge through self-learning, but other things are more important than the knowledge itself. What are the other things? As I told you, you and the teachers and the parents and the principals. That is the most important thing. Without emotions, you can't go ahead, you can't be a human being, you become a robot. And interpersonal relations. And you have to talk to the people and convince the people, good to the people and all that. And the third aspect is honesty levels also need to be there. So these are the most important. This will happen only with the contact of the teacher. This will happen only when you play or when you dance, when you sing with the other students. This will happen only in the a particular environment. That is how the school plays a very different role than the imparting the knowledge. So on one side, teach them the digital mode and enter them, encourage them to go into that. And the other side, don't compromise on the value system. Yes, as you have respected your teachers, as you are respecting your parents, let them do the same thing. And don't allow them to go in a dishonest way for anything. Don't compromise on the values. And in the same way, their approach towards the society should also be good. So nowadays what is happening is, maybe for most of you, one or two children are there. Most of the times you must be telling your children, don't things with anybody and all that. This is not right. You ask them, encourage them to share their meal, to share their knowledge, to share their feelings, to share everything. Always knowledge grows by sharing. So encourage the student to, when you are sending good mail, let them, you ask the children to share the same thing with their friends. And let them share the feelings with their friends, and let them give the respect to their teachers. Don't think that you are paying some money, so teachers are doing it. So when the teachers has got that feeling, they can't teach properly. Yes, the teacher should have a real feeling, make them good. I have to develop them like my own child. This is the kind of feeling where the teacher should have. So this is the future, and at the same time I request all the teachers to treat every student as your own child. That is what I practiced it from the last 45 years. Yes. That is how the students love me till today, after 20 years of their living from me. That is how, teachers, I request all the teachers, create a kind of environment that they should remember you after 20 years or 25 years. Yes, by name, they should remember you. That not only the imparting of knowledge, so develop some emotional contact with the students, motivate them, encourage them when they fall, and try to be connected with them, and you should be more than their parents also sometimes. So many students, even now they come to me, they share all their relations with me. I doubt whether they share the same thing with their parents or not. So that is the kind of feeling you have to create, and that is the kind of professionalism you have to develop when you are treating the child. It is not simply, education is not simply transferring of knowledge and making them pass. That is, that is only 20-30% of the total process. What are the, you have to develop right emotions, you develop the healthy attitudes, you have to develop the right personality, and you have to encourage them to develop good interpersonal relations, and you have to develop among the students to respect their parents. This is the test I am simply asking all the teachers. When a Vignan student is traveling with his parents in a general metro or a bus or something, when a old woman of 80 years entered, no seat, how many of our Vignan students get up and give the seat? That is the value system. That is the real education. That is what you have to develop. Without anybody's instruction, without anybody's encouragement, he has to do it on his own. That is the culture and the kind of attitudes, and I am telling the same thing to the parents also. Attitudes and emotions you have to develop among the students. Then only they will be successful both in profession as well as in life. Yes, they will be good leaders. Teach them, teach them soft with the soft people, but tough with the tough people. Yeah, that should also be there. Then only we are justifying our the whole profession. We are doing a great thing. These things cannot be taught by an artificial intelligence. These emotions cannot be taught by artificial intelligence teachers. Yes, our interpersonal relations cannot be taught by them. And all the value system cannot be taught by them. Artificial intelligence. This should be done by the principals, faculty members and the parents. So once again I am telling you that your children into a totally new world and prepare for the new world. One side develop the technology part and on the other side maintain the value system. Then you will be beautiful individuals for yourselves, for your family, for the entire world. Dear teachers and principals, we have to remember one thing. We have to prepare the students who are knowledgeable, psychologically strong and emotionally balanced. You have to always remember that you are giving the foundation for the entire life, and the foundation is we have to make them knowledgeable, not only that, emotionally balanced and psychologically strong by conducting various activities. And it should be a happy process. The whole thing is happy process. There should not be stress, pain and any other stressful activity should be there. It can be done through a happy process also. That means all the teachers should remember we have to treat not only their head. We have to train not only their head, we have to train their heart also. Then only he will become a complete individual. Normally we give the mathematics, science and all the other things, but to train our head and to develop the logical thinking, reasoning, this, that and all that. But at the same time, as I said earlier, we have to train their heart also to be compassionate with others, to be empathetic and to be good to others, to be respectable to elders and teachers and the whole society. This is how it is a big job. It is a tall order, but I think all of you are familiar with the philosophy of Vignan. I am sure that you can do that, and I hope you will definitely do this kind of thing. Then only, yes, your life would be really meaningful, and your profession is a very great profession. As many other elder people, historians said, teachers are the builders of the nation. And I hope, all of you are safe in the corona period, from the last 1 year, 1.5 years. Both children and parents and the faculty members, all of you are safe, I believe. And in future also, there are possibilities. Of course, you need not fear of the news or something else, but there is a possibility of any other kind of viral problems also. Only way to fight with all these kinds of viruses, your body should fight. Your immunity system should fight. So, you have to develop, you have to strengthen your fitness, physical fitness and the immunity system. For this, the only way is not only having good food, rich of proteins and all that, and expose yourselves, expose the children to the sunlight and have the small exercise. And I'm happy to share with you this approach. I am maintaining it in the university also. For the first time in the country, 3 years back, we have introduced the credits to the physical fitness. No university, nobody has recommended, no university has done it. I have introduced in our Vignan University for the credits, marks to the physical fitness. So now it became the most important thing. Physical fitness, immunity level is the most important thing for the. So that is the reason, right? It is there from the last 40 years. Now we made it in the curriculum, regular curriculum, awarding some marks. So this is the kind of thing. And for students and for all the people who are greeting me, again, I am telling you, to protect ourselves, the other way is we have to protect the environment. That is another value system we have to develop among ourselves and also among children. Yes, at least on my birthday, if some of you plant some plants nearby your colonies, nearby your this thing, I will be more happy. And lastly, my dear students, so you have to respect your teachers, respect your institution, respect your parents and the whole society, apart from gaining the knowledge, good marks, good ranks and all that. And you should become the great leaders of this society in future. And I always think that all my students should be better than me. Not only that, better than my own children. As all of you are aware, my son became the member of parliament in a very young age. Yes. At the same time, every day you must be seeing the vice chairman, Rani Rudramadevi, my daughter. He is exhibiting leadership qualities every time. In the same way or in a better form, you will also become leaders in the future. So, once again, I thank you for your great greetings, very pure greetings. I wish you all the best, not only for this year and the entire in the future. And I hope and I should see you as the leaders of the society in various fields. Leaders means not political leaders only. Political leaders, leaders in technology, leaders in science, leaders in business. Yes, you can become the leaders of this society. All of you are aware that Vignan has already produced many leaders in many fields. All of you are aware that Junior NTR and other people are in the entertainment field also. Technical leaders, not only in this country, in America, there are huge number, more than 200-300 CEOs are there who are studied in Vignan. CEOs and the chairmen of the company are there in America, most competitive world. In the same, politically, yes, there are many people who are educated in Vignan. So I wish all the children to look at the future, both the technical side and the value side, to become develop the leadership qualities, become the leaders of various fields. Once again, thank you very much for your greetings. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
occasion of flag hoisting of Vigyan flag, on the occasion of our Honorable Chairman Sir, Dr. Lau Rattaya Garu. My heartiest greetings to Sir on the occasion of this birthday, and no words are required to tell about the yeoman service done by Sir to the field of education. The long vision and the hard work of our legendary Rattaya Garu has bloomed in the flourishing of so many educational institutions, which are spreading the fragrance of education in all the directions.
Auspicious occasion, we all wish our chairman a very happy 69th birthday. So for somebody to reach to that position and to say that I want to own this college when he was just denied a job there, it is extremely difficult. If it has been made possible, it is only because of his courage, his big dream and a very great vision. But he said, if I have come from very humble backgrounds, very poor background, and has achieved so much, there are definitely so many children again from this background who can achieve really big. So he has mentored, guided many such children, and today if there is not one family but an entire village see that if we get educated, our sons, our daughters will have so much, bring so much of prosperity to our families. They all started with the vision he has established in 1980s. Along with it, you should also have good values. You should have great morals. And that is what he has told all the children and all the employees who are working here. But beyond that, he is the living example for anybody and everybody who is working here. Even when he is down with a viral, even there are corona times, every single day he goes to the college, right? That's the passion. He wants every student, every employee to also exhibit in their respective profession. Very, very few people have achieved so much of that success with this honesty. And very, very few people have achieved this success with the values they have believed in. So, such leaders are only there or only come once in an era. They only come, once in 20 years, once in 25 years. Very few people have such, we find such leaders. And we are all so blessed, fortunate today to be in such a school, to be working and to be studying under his able and visionary leadership. So, yes, it gives me immense pleasure today to wish on behalf of all the Vignan institutions, not only as the head of institution, not only as his daughter, but more as an alumni of this institution. It gives me great pleasure to wish him today on behalf of every one of you, and thank you all for giving me this opportunity.
For a teacher, any institution in which they take employment and then work over there looks like a profession, and then they definitely give a good service to the school in which they work, because it is a school which gives them the growth of the profession. It's the school which gives them that edge of the development of the classroom abilities to teach or learn, etc. In this institution, if today we are all working, definitely it is the vision which our chairman is having, will have definitely, and is the same passed on to the vice chairperson, and from her we take the light, and that light is making us, all of us, to move towards a one direction and achieve the goal. Is the goal nothing but the successful childhood. Thank you.
తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాల్లో ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో పెద్ద పండుగ సంక్రాంతి, అలాగే తెలంగాణలో పెద్ద పండుగ బతుకమ్మ. అయితే రెండు రాష్ట్రాల్లో కూడా విజ్ఞాన్ కుటుంబానికి పెద్ద పండుగ చైర్మన్ సార్ బర్త్డే. ఈ విధంగా బాగా తెలిసిన వాళ్ళకి నాయకుడిగా విద్యారంగంలో సార్ కృషిని విన్న వాళ్ళకి ఒక గురువుగా, ఒక గొప్ప గురువుగా, లేదా ఒక గొప్ప తెలుగువాడిగా, ఇలా సార్కి ఎవరికి ఏ దృష్టితో చూస్తే ఆ దృష్టితో కనబడేటటువంటి వారు. అత్యున్నతంగా ఎదగడానికి పేదరికం అడ్డుగోడ కాదు, అతను శ్రమిస్తే ఏదైనా సాధ్యమే అని చెప్పేటటువంటి ఆ పుస్తకం, అది చదవక ముందు అందులో విజ్ఞాన సంస్థల చైర్మన్ రత్తయ్య గారు కవర్ పేజీ మీద కనిపిస్తారు. పుస్తకం అంతా చదివిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ కవర్ పేజీ చూస్తే అక్కడ ఒక రియల్ హీరో కనిపిస్తారు.